Yeah, Chris AJ, Chris Reynolds. Let me tell you the truth, Westside. Let the whole world know my vibe. Back in 2016, I was in love with that girl. Her name was Sarah Reagan. I left heaven just for her. And guess what? Plans have changed now. Got a new queen, Georgia. That's my life story. They tell me I'm my shell. They tell me to expose my secrets. I got skeletons in my closet. But that's the truth, cause it's part of God's and the devil's plan. Don't you understand? That's why it's been mentioned all over the world. Now the truth came out. That's why you guys get mad at Perry, cause it's the truth. That's why they post the pictures on my Facebook, of her. It's all fucking legend for a fucking check. Now they can stop hating on me now and let me live my fucking life. Chris ain't gonna change. Chris ain't gonna change. It's about the money, pride. No lie. He came out of the shell. He's thrown the Bible, shot the best rapper alive for now. And then after that, the king of the world. Like Tom McDonald said, king of the world. The truth comes out his mouth. Yeah, I got tons of bitches after me. Like Lil Wayne said, like I get them like lottery. I only got too many queens. Too many queens want me with the king now. Taking my time, just like Lady Gaga says. Take my time. Queen, king, Chris AJ, best rapper alive. Now, Lil Wayne is a famous broadcaster. I'm the general, I'm the king of everything, fans. Now do you understand that? Me, I wanna be the new president in the world. Truth. I'm the best rhyme, crime, dime, fine, crime, dime, fine. I'm the world's chosen one, that's what they make me this. The streets made me like this. I treat every girl a queen, or lady, whatever you wanna call it. I treat every woman a lady, queen. You know what I'm saying? Don't piss me off. All I want is respect. You respect me, girl, I respect you. I only dish you when you dish me. I get back the same feedback. I'm an equal king. Let everyone hate on me in the swing. Cause you know why? I can never die. I'm always survive. I gotta survive COVID-19. Yeah, I'm still alive. Yeah, I can never sleep because the demons won't never let me sleep. Yeah, Michael. I'm talking to me now. I'm showing the show entertainment. And he don't like what I do, but no, what to my bro? What's up, Michael? No, to my bro. It's my choice, let me be me. I'm Young Money, Chris AJ, Chris Reynolds.